Would you believe me if I told you this podcast was recorded entirely by AI?
How did we get from trusting a guy in a suit at a bank to, well,
To trusting the math, trusting a 256-bit number.
and that this is the
Stick around, because I'm about to show you exactly how it's done. Imagine taking a mountain of boring notes and turning them into a professional podcast with just one click. This isn't science fiction. It's Google's NotebookLM, and it's about to save you hours of work. Most AIs tend to make things up or get confused because they look at the whole internet. But this one is different. It only looks at the files you give it. No lies, no random guesses, just your data, perfectly organized. Just drop in your PDFs, links, or even YouTube videos. It instantly reads everything and lets you ask questions. It even shows you exactly which page the answer came from, so you know it's 100% accurate. But the coolest part? The deep dive audio. It creates two AI hosts who chat about your topic like they've known it forever. They use jokes, examples, and it sounds, well, disturbingly human. Listen.
But we don't talk about why they're basically just like vending machines.
It's so true. We tend to gloss over the how because the how much is just so much louder. But if you really want to understand where things are going, you have to look under the hood, at the engine.
And the sources for this are great. We've got that Satoshi paper, of course, but also a really heavy economic analysis from the Terry School of Advanced Studies, some great technical breakdowns from Blockbit.
And it's not just audio. Need a video script, a presentation plan, or a simple map of your ideas? It builds them all instantly, turning your messy notes into a finished project. For students and researchers, this is a total game changer. You can upload an entire semester of notes and textbooks and ask the AI to quiz you on the hardest topics. It can find connections between different lectures that you might have missed, acting like a private tutor that knows exactly what's in your curriculum. It even helps you prepare for exams by creating summary tables or flashcard ideas based on your specific data. It's not just about saving time, it's about understanding your subjects on a much deeper level. NotebookLM is the ultimate shortcut for anyone overwhelmed by information. To keep discovering tools that actually change your life, subscribe to Beyond Insight Lab. Stay curious.